Welcome to, I think, Thursday. I really haven't got much done this week. I do apologise, but we'll try and do something tonight. Yes, what I plan to do is do loads of work and get this onto axle stands. That's it. That's my attempt tonight, 4 axle stands, and we're going to try and remove the spit, which I hope for the very last time. There's some things that could be easier slightly if I'd had it on the spit still, but I can do them from underneath. It's not too much of an issue. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. So we're going to need to try and find 4 axle stands. I found 3. That's close enough for me at the moment. I can use a jack on the 4th, which is really safe. And yeah, so what I was going to do is find my an old rubber mat that I lay on. It's falling into 2 bits. I'm thinking of cutting that up and using that as like little spreader plates just to go on top of the axle stands, just because I'm a perfectionist. Don't want to damage any of the stone chip, or least damage the stone chip as possible. Yeah, what have I become? Not. Alright, so yeah, let's see what we can find. I think we'll try and lower the front first, and then I can lift the back off, I think. So we get the front onto axle stands, and then we can do the back. Front, back, front, back. Okay, so raise the front end on the winch. It's all very precarious. Just trying to get it away from the wall a little bit, just so I can get to both sides if needed. But then I need to clear up, so I can't then get through. Yeah, so I've cut them out. Not too sure if I'll try and put a bit of wood under them. I think I might put a bit of aluminium plate underneath them. Spread the load first. And yeah, how doing it? Oh, I don't know. It'll damage it one way. It'll damage it when it goes on the road. Okay, that's the front on axle stands. Don't know if you can see them. Need to remove the hole that's just missing for the spit. And yeah, so we just got to do the back now. I've moved it away from the wall. I can tweak it a little bit, I think, if needed, but at least it gives me room to get around to the whole car. And I think it will stay in this position for a while until we get all the subframe and suspension back in, ready for it to be dropped back onto its wheels. Really tempted. I said it last week about trying to get this bloody thing in the interior and engine bay and paint. Didn't work. So we'll try again this weekend, even though I'm going to go see my daughter at uni. So alright, let's find the other axle stand. Well, not sure when that's going to be bolted back to the ground again. Obviously I don't think my 67's ever going to need to be back on the spit, because my dad's cracking on with that. Yeah, and so anyone that didn't think it was going to last, look at that welding. Oh! Yeah, so slightly used, not very well made spit, up for sale. Let me know if you want it. I should just keep it, really, you never know, it might come in useful again. But yeah, if I buy another Mark 1, please shout at me and tell me not to do it. Okay, so I say it was strange, but I've got one spare axle. I've got one axle stand still with its thing in, and I found 2 of these. That tells me that I've got 2 more axle stands somewhere. I only need 1 more. Yeah. Wonder where they're gone. Okay, a little bit darker out here. I had to go in and have tea and pulled pork from Sainsbury's. So yeah, took out some of the junk that I've got, the pallets and stuff. I need to, what I think I need to do is clear out all my doors and stuff. Let's put them away for the moment. So we're just left with the body. So we've got plenty of room to work. So yeah, you can see the 2 front axle stands under there. Oh, look at this, look at that, lovely. So we just need to put some rear ones under now, then we can get the spit out. Slight problem, I don't know if anyone can look back through all my old videos and figure out where the axle stands have gone. But yeah, who's been throwing cans of Coke down it? Really disgusting. Alright, let's have a bit of a sweep up and get an axle stand under this side. Alright, oh, that side done. It does actually work well now. Once you get it off the floor and you get a bit of a clean floor, these lights that I put on years ago really do help see stuff. You can also see a few spots that I've missed when I was shot blasting, because again this was at the bottom of the car. But we'll go to the other side. Don't worry about those wheel stud spaces and things, that's just me playing about with it. Something the other night, my secret project, which I'll let you guys in on at some point. Anyway, radius arm's just falling in there, that's why it's all bent, it's not even bolted up. So let's see if we can find another axle stand. I'll give it 5 minutes looking, if not, we're using a jack for now. Bit of digging around with a torch, found another axle stand. Technically I did have 8, I think, years ago. Don't have 8 anymore. Have 4 and a bit. So please, feel like donating axle stands. Well, I don't know if I need any more actually, so don't worry about it. Alright, get this up. Okay, this bit's ready to come out, it's not on it anymore, so this support can come out, undo the U-bolts, try and take the pole out, and yeah, cool. Okay, now, honestly, I'm not trying to compare myself to a doctor, brain surgeon, all that sort of thing, but I bet that felt like, you know, when someone's been in a leg and they've had their leg splint, you know, those metal bars that go in their legs for like years and years, and finally sorted it out, so it's time to take that out and you're back to normal. So yeah, I can't remember when I actually put that in. Must have been well over 6 months ago now, easily 8 months ago. I don't know, somebody might be able to check. But yeah, wow. Hopefully that's not going back in for a very long time. Cracking. Tell you what, and even a blind professional welder would be pleased with those welds, I think. Amazing. Well, that's the last splint off. If it was me, I thought I heard the car sigh of relief. It could have been it just settling and twisting, but yeah, screwed them off. And you remember that? All those days we used those top knuckle joints to make the jig. Long time ago, long time ago. Alright, let's do an arty-farty shot of underneath the car, and we call it a night. Well, there it is. Still haven't cleaned up properly, but yeah, very safe on 4-axle stands, aren't I good? And yeah, we're ready to crack on now. So let's prep, paint the inside engine bay, and then get the famous front subframe in. Yeah, looking good, guys. Thank you for watching that most exciting video on how to put a car on 4-axle stands. Bye bye.